Do-it-yourselfer here again, and I want to show you about a product that we use a lot. And for this particular function of the product, it saves time and it saves wear and tear on your hands and wrists. And this is what it looks like. It's normally we use it for drilling in and installing screws or loosening up screws and so forth. It's got a lot of different options, and this is hopefully charged. Yeah, and there's still more options there. And the particulars of what I want to show you today is the cutter part of it. Let's see, it should go on just like so that this part lines up with the main tool, and it has two releases on the sides there, and so we'll put that in there. Okay, so you need to push this button. The green comes on, and let's see, is it going to stay on, or does it need charging? Yeah, okay. Now, for the purposes of demonstration, we usually do this on bigger boxes, but I just want to show you how it works. Get it in. There. So, again, on bigger boxes, you're out there, you might have to cut it with a scissors or use a box knife or something, but when you got a lot of these, say like you order a big TV set or something, or get a washer or something in a big box, you've got a lot to, and then this way, you cut the cardboard down like this, you can get more of it into the into your recyclable cart. This and that way it saves too. Still another one. Right now this isn't really making much of a difference, but on the big boxes, believe me, it helps. And here we go. And this tool seems to last quite a long time on a charge. You don't really have to charge it up very much at all. And that's about it. And on the other part, where we use it to install screws and so forth, it goes forward and reverse, and it's nice and light. And it just sometimes you buy these things and you don't know if you're going to use them or not, but we end up using this one a lot. And I guess that's something that's one of the reasons why we're doing this, is because we consider your time valuable, and we want it to be spent productively, but also expeditiously, as far as not wasting your time. Why have a 30 or 40 minute job when you can do it in, say, 5 minutes? And you can do your job and forget about it and watch the game or whatever. So that's that. See you next time, damas y caballeros. Subscribe to the channel. Now, a word about that. I'm the kind of person that I don't subscribe to anybody's channel because I don't understand it, and I thought it would cost money, but it doesn't cost you anything. All it does is just alert you to future videos, and then that way you can determine, is this something that's going to be of interest to us and of value to us or not, and then you can appropriate your time accordingly. So for now, hasta pronto. See you next time.